Hey everyone, welcome back. Adam here, Kinion Classic Cars. I got Isaac with me today, still summer vacation. Today we're going to show you, what is it, Isaac?
65 Ford Mustang.
That's right, 65 Ford Mustang. Good job, buddy. One of the most iconic muscle cars ever, little Mustang Coupe. This car is finished in red, black vinyl top, $289 under the hood, automatic transmission, power steering and brakes. Got the GT badges, the GT through exhaust, the GT front marking lights. It's got the style steel wheels with the BF Goodrich radial TA, raised white letter tires. This car has been, you can open the hood, buddy. This car has been rotisserie restored. I'm guessing it was probably 10, 15 years ago, and it still shows very, very nice today. It is an absolute stunning car. The paint is beautiful. The vinyl top's in great shape. The interior looks great. Like I said, it's got the through GT exhaust on it. 6x9s in the back package tray there. The radio works good. We listened to the radio already, didn't we, buddy?
Yeah.
We got a John Cougar Mellencamp cassette tape in there. Look how nice the inside of the trunk is, and it's all like that. The whole bottoms of the trunk is very, very nice. Like I say, it's been a rotisserie restored car. The floor pans, the bottom of the side of this car is very, very nice. Not a rust bucket. This thing's super clean. I don't see any bubbles or blistering down on the bottom side of the car. Door handles are in great shape. The glass is all nice in the car. Bucket seats. Wooden wheel. Headliner's nice. Rear seat. Got a nice little fender cover back there.
Yeah.
There's the jams.
The door's really nice.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the paint's very, very quality. We just got this car home last night. And jumped in this morning, checked all the lights. Jumped in it, drove it. My, what a nice car. Very clean underneath the hood. As I said, power steering and brakes. Bottom side of the hood's all painted up very nice. Got a 4-barrel Motorcraft carburetor on it. Oh, you can start it up?
Yeah.
This one. Right
Okay.
here. You gotta put it in like this.
Okay.
Isaac said he's gonna start it up. There you go. Turn the headlights on, Isaac. Turn the left signal on. Yep. No, I don't. Yeah, sure. Have the right one on. Turn the headlights on. Right there. All right, put the other signal on. Put the right signal on. There you go. License plate light, turn signals, tail lights. I'm not going to have him put it in reverse, so I don't think that'd be a good idea. Turn the headlights back on. The headlights on? There we go.
Really nice car.
Yeah, it is. Nice sound system. $39.9 is the price on this one. I think it's a great, great value for a very nice car. Blower motor works. Red headlight indicator works. Turn signals work in the dash. All the gauges work. Wipers work. Fuel gauge says E, so hopefully that means enough to go on a test drive, right? Even the driving light, oh shoot, one driving light works. I didn't flip that switch on earlier. Might have to put one bulb in the driving light, Isaac.
Yeah. So open the garage door?
Yeah, open her up. What a great car. We're going to take it for a spin. The paint, like I say, the paint's very, very nice. I didn't notice really anything, any chips, dings, scratches, scrapes, nothing like that. Maybe one little, no, that's just a bug. Had a couple little bugs on it. We didn't, honestly, the car was super clean. All we did is dust the mats off, and we were gonna wash it. And I said, well, shit, it don't even need to wash. We just cleaned it up just a little bit, and she's ready to roll. Car came from a very good home as well. Very nice older gentleman. What you think, Isaac?
Really good.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was really, really, really nice.
Isaac's been having a good time this summer. He's helped me out.
Yeah.
Going and picking up cars, picturing and videoing cars. He said, Dad, are we going to do a walk around, startup, and drive video? And I said, yep, that's what we're doing, buddy. Car's just a pleasure to drive. I had somebody call me. I had another 65 or 6 Mustang the other day, well, 2 weeks ago, and we sold it, and the guy's like, man, I really wanted that car, and I need to call him today because he wanted a real good one, and this is a real good one. Anyway, anyone's welcome to call us. Somebody's going to buy this car. It won't be around long for $39.9. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. I got another Mustang Coupe I'm going to list probably today yet too. It's an orange one with a 4-speed in it, so if somebody's interested in an orange 4-speed, I got that one too. Both are beautiful cars. I really love this red though with the black vinyl top. It really sets it off.
Is it convertible?
No, not a convertible, just got a black vinyl top. If it was a convertible, we'd have the top down by now.
Yeah.
Runs good, stops good. You can let go of the steering wheel. It don't pull you left or right when you hit the brakes. Not a bunch of squeaks or rattles in the car when you're going down the road. Just all in all, a great car. The 65 Coupe. If I was going to keep a Mustang Coupe, this is what I would have. Bright red, black vinyl top, the style steel wheels, the BF Goodrich tires, the GT badges, the fog lights on the front, the through exhaust. Nice and straight too, just super clean. I'm going to take some undercarriage pictures when we get back. Then you can see just how clean the bottom side of the car is. Oh, horn works too.
Yeah. It does. It works really good too.
Yeah. Great running, driving, cruising Mustang.
Yeah.
Give us a call again, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. Thanks for watching, everyone.
And please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yeah, exactly. Please subscribe. Have a good day.
Bye.